here we are with one more video game. Now I show you the Ratchet and Clank, a PlayStation game on new Nexus 7 2013. That's how. Oh, thanks. So I smoke a cigarette. We wait the game to load. I play it a lot, but with a new ROM, if you don't save it, you lose the progress. Okay, start. This is the help screen. Start. It's not very customization game. You can do some things. Other things are rocket. You can go everywhere you want. Now we get a pistol. To shoot, you must shoot up to targets. And if you lose, it go of the beginning. This is bad news. The game needs an update for this. The game play very good, and on other phones you'll not have a problem. Let's go to the shops, weapons, gadgets, armor. This is a free game on Play Store. Okay, my friends, this is from my new Nexus 7 with Slim Cat. Thanks, bye.